lamellum, the cell wall of two cells are connected with middle lamellum. Middle lamellum is a layer present between two cell walls. It is intercellular matrix. Intercellular matrix present between two adjacent cells. Between two adjacent cells, this is one and another one. Between two adjacent cells, there is presence of a intercellular matrix. Between the two cells, there is presence of intercellular matrix, that is called as what? Middle lamellum. This is present in plant cell. Middle lamellum is intracellular matrix present between two adjacent cells in plant cell. It is thin. It is thin, amorphous, cementing layer. Cementing layer. Thin means its width or thickness is less. Amorphous means it is not in crystalline form, smooth structure. And cementing layer. Cementing layer means, what is cementing? Means it attaches the two adjacent cell walls of two cells. Two cells are attached, joined with the help of middle lamellum. Middle lamellum will attach two cell walls of adjacent cells. That's why it is called as cementing layer. Okay, this cell wall is cementing layer present between two adjacent cells. Okay, that is middle lamellum. This middle lamellum, it is made up of, cell wall is made up of, I told you, cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, the pectin, like that. It is made up of calcium and magnesium pectate. Pectin is present in some cell wall. Cell wall of plant cells have pectin. That pectin in combination with calcium, it may form calcium pectate, or magnesium may combine with that pectin and there may be formation of magnesium pectate. Calcium pectate or magnesium pectate are formed. Okay, that is present between two adjacent cells. So, middle lamellum is made up of calcium pectate or magnesium pectate, and it attaches the two substances. And during cell division, cell wall is formed. Cell wall is formed from a structure called cell plate. During cell division, you know, mitosis, meiosis, usually mitosis, because mitosis is equational division that is normally present in all somatic cells or body cells. Somatic cells means body cells. During that cell division, especially there is a stage called as cytokinesis. Cyto means cell, kinesis means division. In mitosis, during cytokinesis, there is formation of a structure called as cell plate for cell division. From that cell plate, this middle lamellum is formed. Okay. And cell plate is, during that cytokinesis, the chemical substances which are present in middle lamellum, what? Calcium pectate or magnesium pectate are there, na? That one. During cytokinesis, middle lamellum is secreted. Secreted means released. Secreted by Golgi complex. Golgi complex. Golgi complex is responsible for the formation of this one. Golgi complex. From Golgi complex, there is release of this calcium pectate and magnesium pectate during cell division or cytokinesis. That calcium pectate and magnesium pectate will settle as a middle lamellum between two adjacent cells. Okay, that is middle lamellum. Middle lamellum is a structure which is present between two adjacent cell walls. Middle lamellum is present between two adjacent cells. Okay, this is the structure and how middle lamellum is formed. Note down this. Then wall layers of that cell wall. Cell wall is made up of 3 layers, right? Among them, first one, primary cell wall. Primary cell wall. Primary cell wall is the outermost layer of cell wall that is present just inside the middle lamella. Write cell wall structure. Draw the structure of cell wall so that you can understand well. Suppose this is a cell. That cell has cell wall. That cell wall is divided into 3 layers, right? Innermost layer of cell wall is called tertiary layer. Outside, next to tertiary layer, there is presence of secondary layer. And next to that, there is presence of primary layer of cell wall or primary cell wall, outer layer. Suppose if you see cross section of the cell wall, the cell wall is made up of that cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin like that. Outer layer of cell wall is called primary cell wall. Outermost layer of cell wall is called primary cell wall. And this inner layer is there na, next to primary layer inside. Next to primary layer inside there is presence of secondary layer. This is secondary layer or secondary wall. Deep inside there is presence of another layer. This is called tertiary wall. Okay. Outside this, what is present? Suppose this is, otherwise I am writing here. This is next cell. Next cell has one primary wall, secondary wall, tertiary wall. and cell will be inside. See here, this is the primary wall of this cell. This is primary wall of this cell. This cell. Like this it will be here. This is the primary layer of this cell. This is the primary layer of this cell. This is secondary layer of this cell. This is secondary cell wall of this cell. Inside that there is presence of tertiary wall. Here between this primary and walls, here there is presence of this one. A gap or matrix present between two cells. This we call it as, here you can mention here. This we can call middle lamellum. Middle lamellum is the matrix, this one, the gap present between two cells. That is middle lamellum. If you write like this, that may not be visible clear. You may get confusion again. You write here directly, no problem. Middle lamellum. Middle lamellum is a matrix present between two adjacent cells. Okay, this is the structure. See, primary cell wall. This primary cell wall is the outermost layer. From middle lamellum, this is present next to middle lamellum. This is outer wall layer next to middle lamellum or inside middle lamellum. Inside middle lamellum, the first layer is primary cell wall. That is the point. It is a thin structure, elastic structure. It is thin and elastic structure. And with the help of this thin and elastic structure, it allows cells to increase in size. Cell size can be increased with the help of this primary cell wall. Primary cell wall is responsible for increasing the cell size, cell elongation. Okay, and what is present here is cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, 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 and some proteins present in primary cell wall. Primary cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, and some proteins. Okay, here it is forming a network-like structure with the help of this cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, and suppose in some cells like meristematic cells. Meristematic cells means cells which are continuously dividing. Cells with the most or high rate of cell division, that is called as meristematic cells. That meristematic cells and some other type of cells like parenchyma cells, meristematic cells and parenchyma cells have primary cell wall and middle lamellum both fused together. in meristematic and parenchyma cells, cell wall is which cell wall? Primary cell wall. Primary cell wall is fused with middle lamellum. Both middle lamellum and primary cell wall both are fused. There is no separate middle lamellum and primary cell wall in this meristematic and parenchymatic cells. That means in meristematic cells and parenchyma cells, primary cell wall is absent, means only secondary cell wall and not absent, that is fused with middle lamellum. As both are fused, secondary cell wall and tertiary cell wall only differentiated. Primary cell wall is highly bound with middle lamellum. Okay, see one by one point again. This primary cell wall is the outer layer which is present inside the middle lamellum. From outside to inside of the cell, that is inside the middle lamellum, the first layer is primary cell wall. This is thin. Thin means thickness is less. Elastic structure. Elastic means which can increase its length. So that due to this elastic size, when cells are increasing in size, the primary cell wall will increase, and that causes increase in the size of the total cell. That cell wall, primary cell wall, is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin with some proteins. But proteins are less, but majorly cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin are present. But this primary cell wall, what is present inside the middle lamellum, that primary cell wall is bound with middle lamellum in meristematic cells and parenchyma. In meristem cells and parenchyma, primary cell wall is fused with middle lamellum. Middle lamellum and primary cell wall both are present, but they are not well separated. They are joined together. That is about primary cell wall. What is doubts? Amorphous. Amorphous means powdered form. Powdered or smooth form. Cell plate. Cell plate is formed during cell division. That cell plate gives middle lamellum. During cytokinesis, formation of a cell wall and middle lamellum takes place simultaneously. Yes. Both cell wall and middle lamellum are formed during cytokinesis. Among primary, secondary, tertiary, which part is cell plasma membrane? No, plasma membrane is present. Cell wall is separate, plasma membrane is separate. This is only cell wall. Inside this there is presence of another membrane. Plasma cell membrane is present inside the cell wall. Cell wall is separate, plasma membrane is separate. Cell wall only divided into three layers: primary layer, secondary layer, tertiary layer. Primary wall, secondary wall, tertiary wall. This is primary cell wall. See next one, secondary cell wall. I am keeping the diagram same here. I am not erasing. Secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall is present next inside that. In some of these plant cells, once the cell division is completed, secondary cell is formed from primary cell wall. This secondary cell wall is formed from primary wall after cell division completes. Once cell division is completed, during the cell division, I told you first there is formation of middle lamellum and cell wall, especially primary cell wall will form. Okay, From that primary cell wall, then there is formation of secondary cell wall. This is present inside primary cell wall. Inside the primary cell wall, there is presence of this one, and it is middle layer of cell wall. Secondary cell wall is the middle layer. Outside there is a primary wall. Inside there is a tertiary wall. Between that primary and tertiary walls, there is presence of secondary cell wall, and it is thick and rigid. It is thick and rigid, but primary cell wall is thin and amorphous. Thin means its width is less. Amorphous means smooth structure, but it is hard structure. Secondary cell wall is thick and rigid, and it is composed of cellulose and other polysaccharides. This secondary cell wall is made up of a network of cellulose fibers and other substances, some other polysaccharides. Other polysaccharide means like pectin or presence of lignin, like that. So this secondary cell wall is a thick and rigid structure that is made up of a network. Network means due to cross connection of cellulose fibers with other polysaccharides, there is formation of a network-like structure, like a mesh. That is called secondary cell wall. Okay, here secondary cell wall, again it is divided into three wall layers. It is made of three layers again. What are the three layers? S1, S2, S3. Secondary cell wall is again divided into three layers, which are S1, S2, S3. Here, if you see this secondary wall layer, if we divide that into three parts, 1, 2, 3, like outer secondary wall. Outer secondary wall is S1, middle secondary wall is S2, inner secondary wall is S3. Secondary wall is there, secondary cell wall. That secondary cell wall is again divided into three wall layers. If a secondary cell wall is divided into three layers, suppose this is here 1, 2, 3. This is totally secondary cell wall. Throughout all surface of the cell, all sides of the cell wall is there. If we divide that into three parts, outer wall of secondary wall is S1, middle one is S2, and inside there is S3. Okay, and the important property of secondary wall is secondary wall with some other substances may present. Other substances, some pigments or some other structures will be there. That other substances gives different tissues. When secondary cell wall is, normally secondary cell wall is made up of cellulose, some other polysaccharides. But if there is presence of some other structures, some other chemical substances are there in secondary cell wall means, then that secondary cell wall may develop into some other tissues or some other cells. Wait 1 second, just wait. Okay, now it is okay. Again it is oscillating. Okay, here